Lesson 6.1 notes. Identify the parts of each quadratic function. This video will show how to identify the domain and range of quadratic functions. The domain stands for the x values of a function. The range stands for the y values of a function. All quadratic functions have a domain of all real numbers. If you consider example number 1, from the vertex point, notice that the graph goes on and on and on in the positive values. It also goes on and on and on in the negative values. That is why our domain is all real numbers for this graph. The range is the set of y values. The vertex is the maximum point. So our range must be less than that highest point. So to write your range is the set of all y's such that y is going to be less than or equal to, again, because this graph opens down from the vertex, our range is going to be less than that vertex point. The highest point on this graph is at positive 8. So our range will be less than or equal to positive 8. Example number 2. Again, the domain of this quadratic function will be all real numbers. If we were restricted by a word problem or a special situation, then we may have a different domain. But this graph shows that it continues onward this way as well as the other direction for every x value there is possible. So all real numbers is the domain. The range is the y values. Our vertex is the lowest point. So our range for this problem must be greater than that y value of the vertex point. So our range is the set of all y values such that y is greater than or equal to, because our graph opens up and is greater than the vertex point, we have a greater than or equal to, the lowest point here is at 0. Example number 3. Once again, domain is all real numbers. The range is the set of all y values such that y, this time we have a maximum point. So think, is our graph going greater than that maximum point, or is it going less than that maximum point? This graph is going less than the maximum point. We'll use a less than or equal to symbol. Then we got to decide what y value is the graph less than. Here we're at the y value of -1. So our graph is graphed less than that -1 value.